Good morning. Welcome back to the van build series. Yesterday I was having some issues with the wood that I had chosen for the structure support for the bed. The wood was too weak. The screws were splitting it, and the weight of it was moving. The weight of the bed itself was moving the structure. So I'm going to take out what's in there at the moment and start again. I have bought structural structural pine this time, so it means I can't have like the have it hinged up, because it'll be mounted straight onto the structural pine, but it's not that big of a deal at this stage. I'll fix it up at a later date. I just don't have the time to build that at the moment, so we'll start off with a simple frame. Wood I got this time is structural pine. It's a lot bigger, but it will hold the weight. I've made some cuts to the structural pine. It's going to be a very simple frame, basically just a couple of rectangles, and then put the bed on top. I'll see if I can put in a slider. I don't know if I'll have time for that though. I also got some different screws. So these are made for like structural wood, internal and external. So I think these are reinforced, so this should be a bit stronger. They're not secured on to this frame, and it's not going to be, because it has to move in order to lay it down flat. So I just need to take measurements across, so I can build the framework, joining the two legs together. I finished putting the struts in. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm going to fit it in. I'm not sure if I need to put another leg here or not. I'm just going to fit it out and check. It's very solid. Yeah. Nah, I don't think I will put any more legs on it. Let me secure it to the ground and we can put the bed on. I finished securing the base to the floor. I'm going to put the bottom bit on, and then we can put the hinge backing on. Since I'm not putting the sliding rails in at this stage, I need something to stop it from moving, especially when I'm driving the car. So I think I'll get some door latches, kind of like this one. So this is what I was going to use when I was going to put in the sliders to stop it from going out. Can I still use that? No, because I need the side piece in, don't I? So to stop it from moving, I am going to get some of the door latches like this, and then just place them on the side. I don't have any at the moment, so I'll go up to the hardware store at a later stage and get one, get 4, so that it doesn't move anywhere. I pulled the bed out just to make sure everything fits, and it does, but there is a problem with the backing. I put the support struts the wrong way, so they should have been flat, not upways. I'm just going to quickly change that. I've swapped over the backing for that, and now it's nice and flat. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the hinges up, and then I'll put it back together and we can have a look and see what it looks like. Okay, great. That's done. Okay, all I need to do with that is to put the latches on so that it doesn't move. I'll need to go up to the hardware store. For the meantime, I'm gonna do the plumbing. Hopefully we can get it up and running. I got these L-shaped adapters to fix up the issue where the cables were bending, the tubes were bending. So this way they come out this way, and it's not being flattened by the floor. Okay, so I've mounted the hot water system here, and I've connected up all the plumbing again. I haven't actually tested it just yet. I'm pretty sure the water's... Yeah, the water's running. So let's check and see if this thing works. It doesn't look like it's working. The LCD display isn't even coming on, so maybe it's faulty. I'm not sure. I guess I'm gonna have to go with I'm gonna have to rethink the bed design. It's just not working. This is the mattress that I have for it. It's a foam mattress with a down squishy thing topper. It keeps springing back out. I suppose I could get a memory foam thing, but the bed itself is just, it's too fiddly. It's taking too much work to pull in and pull out and push down and all that kind of stuff. For now, it's gonna have to do. So I'm going to travel with that for the next 2-3 months until I can stop in a stationary place and fix up or build a new one. I don't know, but yeah, it's just too much work. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have time to fix it, so it's gonna have to do for now. Yeah. So this space here, there's quite a lot of space, and that's where I plan to put the toilet and washing machine. So I have a chemical toilet and a portable washing machine. It is an electric one. It's 4 kilo load, yeah, so it's only about 60 centimeters high, so it will fit in there. But yeah, I'm gonna have to rethink this and fix it up at another time. I will do one more episode just to show how everything works. But after that, I'll be vlogging my journey across Australia. I'm packing up shop for now. Once again, thank you so much for joining me on this van build. Your support has been so much appreciated. Yeah, I'll continue working on the van as I go along, and hopefully in December or November, when I'm back in Sydney, we can fix up a lot of the stuff that I didn't get around to. As I said before, check out my channel. I will be vlogging my trek around Australia, the Australian coastline. Yeah, there's some interesting places that I really want to go see, and yeah, hopefully you can learn a bit more about Australia. Thanks again.